Hi, I'm Nolan, the sales director here at Acculevel. You may be wanting to get into your crawl space, take a look around, learn a little bit more. But the first question is, what do I even look for in my crawl space? That's exactly what we're going to hit on in this video. It's just to teach you an entry level of what to look for and what to look out for in your crawl space. So when you first crawl into your crawl space, there's a few different components that are going to be your main focus to check out. Number one is your foundation walls. These are going to be your exterior walls going around the perimeter. It really lays out the footprint of the perimeter of your house. These are usually block, they may be brick or poured concrete as well. But you're going to take a look at those and you're going to look for maybe signs of water, maybe moisture pushing in on those, as well as any cracks that you may see on those. The next thing you're going to want to pay attention to is the subfloor component of the crawl space. So this is your floor joists. These are usually going to be 2x8s, 2x10s that's running from front to back of your home generally. When those land on the foundation wall, they're going to sit on a sill plate and then there's going to be a band board behind that. What you're looking for there is biological growth, right? Discoloration in the wood for signs of maybe some mold growth or some sort of biological growth starting. The other thing that you're going to really want to pay attention to, do you start to see wood squishing? Or is there major discoloration in the wood to where it's getting dark, right? That would indicate rot. And so you're going to want to really pay attention to that. The final thing that you're going to want to take a quick look at is just the floor of your crawl space. Does the floor have water standing on it in areas? Does the floor have a vapor barrier or just plastic laying on the floor? Is that covering the entirety of the floor? Those are just some very basic things that you can dive into to really understand, hey, is my crawl space in great shape, or is this something that I need to have somebody just to take a look at and make sure that nothing too serious is going on, or maybe there is something going on and you need it to get repaired. Thank you for watching. Let us know in the comments below if this answered the questions that you had. If not, go ahead and check the other videos on crawl spaces themselves. About 99% of people are not liking or subscribing to our videos, so please be sure to do that.